YouTube, what's good? It's your boy D Blends, and we back with another video. In today's video, we did the 360 Jeezy every cut challenge. I seen 360 Jeezy was doing this challenge again, so I had to get this video out to you guys as quick as possible. Yesterday, which is when I recorded this video, I only had about 8 clients, and I was only able to record about 6 of them. But even with the 6 cuts that you guys will see later on in this video, I think we absolutely killed it. I just finished barber school about 5 months ago, right before COVID hit. So I'm kind of new to the industry, but all the constructive criticism that comes my way, is going to be taken into consideration, and it helps me grow. So make sure you guys give me your honest opinion, what you guys think about the cuts, and make sure you go to that comment section and tag 360 Jeezy so that he can see how we really moving and how we work over here. And make sure you go give me a follow on Instagram at _DBlends. I drop content every other day. Yeah, so make sure you do that and leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my page. I will have more videos coming out soon to you guys, and we'll be updating you guys on the moves I got planned and what's to come. But yeah, enjoy the video. I'm gonna see y'all at the end. Peace.
Depot on the beat.
YouTube, that's the end of the video. I think we absolutely smashed it in my opinion, but I'll leave that up to y'all to be the judge of that. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like and comment and subscribe to my page, because I will be dropping more content. And I just appreciate you guys checking out the video. I genuinely appreciate it, for real, because I put a lot of time into this, and I put a lot of time into my craft, and editing, and working on everything overall. So for y'all to check out the video really means a lot to me. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You got to see kind of how I work throughout the day and the type of clients that I get. I usually get more diversity, but it just so happened today that's a clientele that came through. So that's what you guys got. But yeah, we'll have more videos out coming soon, and I appreciate y'all, and I'm gonna see y'all soon. Bye.